In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete forecast models. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions in order to do this. Then click on Forecasts. You should arrive at your Forecast main page. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Models. Now select the model you would like to edit or delete. I'll click this arrow, and I'm going to choose Test 2.0. Now I can edit this model. I can change the name. Maybe I will delete this part and just say Test. I could also change the target series. If I click this arrow, I can choose Test 2.0, Testing, or Example. I'll go ahead and leave that alone for now. I can also edit the functions. If I want, I can click Edit here. I could change the feed, the data that I'm using to create this model. I could change the interval, and I could change the function. If I had changed anything, I would select Save instead, but I didn't, so I'm going to choose Close. Let's say that instead of editing that function, I wanted to add another one. So I will click Add, and I could choose a feed. It can be the same one or a different one, but I'm going to choose the same one. I could change the interval. Maybe for this function, instead, I want the interval to be every 30 minutes. And I'm going to do the same thing and have the sum. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this second function, click Close. I do, so I will choose Save. And now that function has been added. So you can add multiple functions to one model. To make sure these changes go into effect, select Save. And now your edits have been saved. However, if I changed my mind and I don't want this model at all, I can select Delete. And again, TeamWork 5 is going to make sure I do want to delete this model. If you don't, choose Cancel. I do, so I will select OK. And now that model has been deleted. The other way you can delete a model is to delete the series the model was based off of. If you delete a series that your model belongs to, that model will also automatically be deleted. That's how you can edit and delete models in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to add plans.